Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm London, the owner and CEO of Simply Elite Events. I am super excited to have you here today. This will be part 3 of our venue questionnaire series. If you missed the first 2, be sure to run to my channel and check them out, okay? I won't waste any more of your time. Let's just dive straight into the questions. Number 1, decorations. This is something for more of you DIY brides. If you are going to be bringing any of your own decorations, be sure to ask and make sure that you have permission for everything that you are bringing. Number 2, borrowable inventory. Most venues give you a lot of inventory to work with, but often they don't want to go through the hassle of actually having to bring all that stuff out unless you ask for it. So be sure to ask your venue if they have anything that you can use, even if it's just a cake cutting set. You know, you never know what they have, and most of the time they have everything that you would need. This way you're able to just borrow it without having to buy all this stuff and have boxes of it after your wedding that you have no idea what to do with. Number 3, the freedom to rearrange. Now, this one I would like to specifically point out that it is especially important to ask because there was one venue that I ran into and they had this massive flower pot. It was just a pot of flowers that you could not remove from the middle of the dance floor. Yes, you heard me right. It was in the middle of the dance floor and you could not move it, and it was just a pot. Like, I could have carried it, but for whatever reason they would not let you move it. So make sure if you see anything like random that you feel like is kind of awkward or in a weird place, please ask if you can move it. It doesn't hurt to ask, and sometimes it's not going to be a deal breaker, but it's just good to know. Number 4, event additions. Now this is more for your fun stuff like sparklers or candles or any food trucks or things like that. You want to make sure that you're allowed to actually use all these things, especially the sparklers if you guys are doing a sparkler send-off. You know, you just want to make sure that you're not going to buy all this stuff and then not be able to use it on site. So be sure to just get all of that cleared, and a lot of venues are going to LED candles rather than allowing people to have live flames on site. So be sure to ask if you're wanting any open flames. Number 5, guest guidance and amenities. This is particularly for those venues that you could get lost at really easily. So any sort of farms or anything like that, you want to make sure that they have really good signage so your guests are able to find their way pretty easily without having to stop and ask everybody and then nobody know where to go, and then it's just a huge mess. And for the amenities, you want to make sure that if you're having a summer wedding, that there is umbrellas on site, or if you're having a winter wedding, that there is heaters. You just really want to make sure that your guests are going to be very comfortable. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Be sure to check out my other videos if you have missed them. And keep in mind that this is going to be a 5-part video, so make sure to run to my channel to check out the rest of them. If you find these videos helpful, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the others, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!